शेप से लेके एक रेड डॉट तक, एक विजुअल डिजाइन से लेके एक मराठी क्रेसेंट मून तक, उषा उत्थुप से लेके केटी पेरी तक. The one Indian accessory to have truly gone global is the bindi. बिंदी और a colored dot on the forehead हमारी संस्कृति और इतिहास में काफी important है. It was adopted as a fashion accessory a long time ago, but its use as an element of style led to a lot of debate and discourse. Welcome to the Fashion Reset. Intricately woven into Hindu culture, the bindi is a symbol of marital status and a connection with the divine. 16 श्रृंगार का हिस्सा होने के साथ साथ बिंदी एक आदर्श हिंदू नारी का भी प्रतीक है. Red bindis signified married women, while widows would change the color of their bindis to black. The bindi has also been linked to various forms of oppression. After the partition, Sindhi migrants in Gujarat sported the bindi to blend into unfamiliar communities. ऐसे ही श्रीलंका में anti-Tamil riots के दौरान Tamilian women removed the bindi to protect themselves. The bindi has also been intertwined in caste dynamics, with Dalits being excluded from wearing them. Hindu culture में बिंदी का significance इतना strong रहा है that its absence has even triggered outrage. Hindu groups on Twitter used the campaign No Bindi, No Business to protest against Diwali ads where the models were not wearing bindis. The bindis are a common trend with Indian attire on screen. Komolika se leke Ramola Sekand to Kokila Bain, these famous characters on Indian television were known for their bindis. Singer Usha Uttup sports a Bengali letter K on stage to signify her love for the city of Calcutta. Deepika Padukone के पीकू से लेकर श्रीदेवी's portrayal of a traditional Indian mother in English to Alia's feisty feminist character in Rocky Aur Rani की प्रेम कहानी, the bindi has been sported by many. Moving away from screens, Maharani Gayatri Devi's simple plain dot to Amrita Shergill's similar style showcase the bindi's versatility over time. Beyond its cultural significance, the bindi has been adopted for aesthetics. It has been sported on runways by LGBTQIA individuals and even men. In Hollywood, sporting a bindi has often led to it being called exotic. Selena Gomez wore a red sparkling bindi at the 2013 MTV Movie Awards, while Vanessa Hudgens chose a curly silver one for Coachella. Katy Perry donned a shiny golden bindi at the 2010 Grammy Awards. These appearances stirred a conversation around cultural appropriation. कुछ ने इसकी तारीफ की, while others asked if it was okay to appropriate a traditional ancient symbol for fashion. This debate explored the balance between respecting and appreciating culture versus turning it into a mere trend. Many abroad sport the bindi to tie it back to their homeland, their culture, and their roots. However, this too had its shortcomings because wearing the bindi often led to women being discriminated against. In the sitcom The Family Guy, a character joked that red button on your wife's forehead is that a remote control. It referred to the stereotyping of women wearing the bindi to be backwards or old-fashioned. In discussions ke bawajood, the bindi remains an enduring symbol of fashion that transcends borders. In its rightful place in between the eyebrows, it is going to continue to capture hearts for years to come. If you like this video, do check out the rest of our series, The Fashion Reset. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and also subscribe to Har Zindagi.